In this video, I'm showing you how to turn on and enable comments on YouTube. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. And please do watch this video right until the end to know the 4 steps. And without further ado, let's go and jump into this. Now let's go and continue with this guide. So currently I'm on the YouTube desktop version. If you want to follow this guide on a mobile device, then you need to come into your browser, go to youtube.com and then go and click on request desktop site. Then you're going to be taken to the YouTube desktop mode and it looks like this. So the first thing you want to do is simply go to the top right where you've got your YouTube icon, then go and click on YouTube Studio. So as you can see, we're now here. So there are a few different reasons for why the YouTube comments may be disabled for your channel, and I'll be going over how to go and fix them and a few fixes and the reasons why. So the first thing we want to do is come to the bottom left where it says settings. So click on settings just here, then wait for it to load and come to channel, second one down, then go and click on advanced settings. And if we scroll down, we're going to have this option here saying, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? So basically, if you go and set your channel as made for kids and the content is for children, you're not going to have things such as notifications, comments, and stories are all going to be disabled as it says here. So if this is a mistake, then we can go and turn it off, or you may have just done it by default as set by yes. So what you then need to do is go and set no, set this channel as not made for kids, unless you do make content which is made for kids. That's content such as cartoons and stuff like that. So personally, I'm going to set this as not made for kids. Then once you've done that, you then want to go and click save, then go and click on upload defaults and click on advanced settings. And then once you see comments, click on it and you want it to be hold potential inappropriate comments for review or allow all comments, and make sure it's not on disable comments, as of course every future upload is going to have disabled comments. Then go and click save. And if you've got all your old videos which may have the comments turned off, then all you want to do is go and click on the select all button just here in your content section of the YouTube Studio. Click here, and then all you want to do is go and click on edit, and then you want to simply go and look for comments just here, and then you can go and click on allow all comments or hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. Then you can go and click on update videos, and it's going to go and make that change. So there we go guys, there is how you can go and enable comments on your channel. If you found this guide useful, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a like for more. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.